Good morning. So I stopped at Lowe's early this morning. Pick up some lumber. Got some 6x6 and 2x6s. These are 12 footers. This one's a 12 footer, and then this one is a 10 footer that was half price because it has a split. Sometimes it's good to check the clearance section where the wood's at. Sometimes you get a good deal. My safari hat. The goal today is to run my beams and get my posts in first and then run my beams. But before I start, I want to get some of these organics out. I was thinking of running the tiller, but there's a lot of rocks in this area and it's not much. I'm gonna just go ahead and do it with a shovel. I'm about 20 minutes in. The topsoil and organics, I'll be putting it in our 31-foot garden box. And as you can see, this will be like a drop in a bucket. A little bit more to go. Now that that's done, I can start what I really want to do. So I'm going to now start removing the 2x6s that I made to create the form. But it's looking good. Wow, that is beautiful. I am very happy the way the form came out. I just finished removing all the 2x6s. I am loving it. So I'll be storing these probably in the greenhouse for now because I am definitely using this again. Now the next step is to find out where I'm going to be putting my brackets. So I'm going to need probably string line, my laser level, tape measure to figure this out. Right now I'm using my laser level to get all my brackets in line. The laser level I purchased came with these glasses. Supposedly it can protect your eyes from the laser. Not sure if you can see that, but I think I'm pretty much on the money now. Trying to get everything squared and in a straight line is time consuming. For this step you need to be patient, and if you can get somebody to help you, that'll be great, and especially a laser level. This one I purchased on Amazon. I believe it was around 80 bucks. And I got it because it had very good reviews. Also came with the tripod. Before I tighten my nut on my anchors here, I just threw a 2x6 on the side because I just wanted to make sure that I'm good. So everything looks good so far. your 6x6 is going to sit right here. So you want to make sure that your anchor isn't in the way. You see? Because it is, and if you can't hammer it further down, you're going to have to remove it and drill the hole deeper. Got the laser set so I could cut all my posts to the right size. I already started. So this one here, it was 2.5 inches. And this one is the highest point, and the opposite down there, that is the lowest point. Not sure if you can see the laser level, but it's going all the way around. It's a little hard to see on camera. If you see it right here, if I put my hand in the way, you should see it. There you go. You can see it there. And for my next one, so that's 6 inches. Got my first 3 in, and I wanted to get my level just to make sure there's no funny business going on, and it's good. I'm happy with that. We are inside our lines. Good morning. Just let the hens out to a little free ranging, but I want to show you where I left off last night. Here's where I left off. Everything is leveled. Just perfect. If it wasn't for the laser level, this would have taken me a lot more time. I mean, it's doable without a laser level, but with the laser level, just makes life so much easier. So I just want to explain a few things before some people start asking questions. Why is it so close to the house? Well, the plans are that this structure here will be one of the walls. How I'll be doing this, I'll build 3 walls, and this wall here from the house will be the 4th wall. And last night me and my wife were talking, and we decided we're changing the design a little bit, just the bottom portion of it, because the way I had planned on doing this was our base, our posts, then I was going to run the beams going across on both ends. Then on top of that, we were going to do some 2x6 for our joists going all the way around. But that was going to give us another 12 inches. We just figured we don't want to go that high. It's going to be a little too high then. Had I can go back into time, this one all the way back here, I would have dug down and buried this base instead of placing the base on the top surface. And at least that would have brought us down another 6 inches at least, because that is our high point. Our high point, the 6x6 post, is actually 2.5 inches, and then our lowest point here was 24.5 inches, which is a huge difference, and it just shows how much this actually pitches. This is why I say with the laser level, it was awesome. But you, just so some people know, you don't have to spend $500, $700, $900 on a laser level. This laser level was only 79 bucks and it worked awesome. And because this is such a huge project, we're gonna do this like a part 1 to a part 5 or 6 video, but the next video will pop up and I'll leave it here somewhere in the corner for you. You just click on it and that'll be the next video. But if the video just got released, then I'll probably post them probably one a day. That's probably the best I can do because the YouTube algorithm is a little funny. But yeah, this is where I'm gonna leave off this one, and then the next video I'll start with what I'm gonna do with these posts and the joists and the beams, and show you the next step that I'll be taking. And of course that we need to cover up this with the landscaping cloth as well. If you want to continue watching this build, just stay tuned for the next video, and it's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be very big. I'm not going to build this tacky looking. I do want to have probably some double door, probably like French door style, to make it look good and presentable. So I hope everyone enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one. Thank you for watching another video of Handyman Land. My name's Martin. You have yourself a good one.